Today's date is the 31st, no it's not, it's the 1st of August 2018. We have a odour, which is a plains wanderer feather, the size of half a thumbnail and one scat. And this is Molly. She's will be working for the Department of Environment and Heritage, and she's trained to help locate a very rare bird called the plains wanderer. So it's the third tree over there, and it's the furthest one on the left, about a metre up. Small tube with a feather in it, half the size of a thumbnail, and one plains wanderer scat. The feather obviously is a plains wanderer scat. You ready? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Fine. She'll go into the wind, one hopes. She's got it nicely there. It's not that tree. It's the next tree to the left, but she's scenting nicely. And there she's got it there. Just wait till she sits down nice and quietly or holds position. Got it. Yes, good girl. And that is a very good little dog. Good girl, Molly. And to have a look at the odour, there it is right there. It's one little tube with one tiny feather and a scat. Good girl, leave the ball. Molly, show me. Wait till we get a nice still response. Yes, good girl. That's a great little dog. It's Molly, the plains wanderer dog. Will be soon off working for the Department of Environment and Heritage. Loves the ball.